So hello my dear friends, this is Hardeep Singh and you are watching my YouTube channel Singh Learnings. So friends, in this tutorial I will tell you how you can get BIOS setting and boot option on your Lenovo laptop. So let's begin. So at the beginning, after restart or start your laptop, you need to immediately press function and F2 key. So now you can see that here your BIOS options have appeared on your screen. So now if you want to boot your operating system, so you can follow these steps. You can see that you need to go at this option boot with the arrow keys. From there, let's see. So now what you need to do, firstly select this USB option with the down arrow key. So now here you need to press function with F6 key. So what would happen with this key, function plus F6 key, if you press this key, then you can see that your USB option comes at the top of the legacy. So now just go exit